We selling the juicer. Somebody off Facebook Marketplace. No, Nextdoor app.
Thank you so much. Have a blessed day.
Listen, we might make thousands of dollars in trades, but I'm still happy about making $10. So that's it, we're doing daddy daycare duty. One of the things I was thinking about, I was getting them ready. Usually we have a nanny here. If my wife was working from home, she'd be here, so we have double help. That in mind, I was just thinking about, like I'm running to the door, trying to answer the door. I got my team here. We're trying to change her diaper earlier, which was a bad diaper, by the way. And so I try to think about like single mothers who are trying to do it all. So I have a special place in my heart for them. And I was just thinking about how the extra money from the stock market could provide some relief, whether that is to hire a nanny, whether that is to hire some help, or whether that is so that you can take a day off from work and not lose wages. All the ladies listening, we really want to help you get into the market. Or the single dads though, shout out to my single dads. Just anybody who's raising these kids, it's tough, especially with 2. I can't even imagine 3. And then I was trying to trade, so I closed this Starbucks trade out today. We had 4,500 in it, and we closed it out 4,500 24 hours later. So it's a 24-hour trade, $4,500. And I was gonna go back in and do a second day trade, but she was pulling at me, he was crying. And I was like, I can't do it, because if I can't focus, then it usually ends up being a bad trade if I can't focus, or end up being a bad dad to my kids, because I'm like, be quiet, sit down, I'm trying to place a trade. But it's just so powerful what you can do no matter what size your account is, if you have the knowledge of what to do with it. Ain't that right, Jen? University in the Brown Report. Yeah, so you booked the call, you wanted us to chat with you about our stock trading program, or you bought one of our courses and you scheduled a call today, so is now still a good time? What happens is most people sign up for things and they don't show up for the classes, they don't show up for the live sessions, and then they're like, oh, I'm paying for something, I'm not using it, and it's like, well, why'd you sign up? To change my life, to make money. And I always think it's interesting that they magically don't have time to change their life financially. Yet that is the biggest pain point in their life right now. If I had more money, I would do this. If I had more money, I would have more time. Yet they won't make time to do the thing that will get them there. So as long as you make time, 4 hours minimum, I think you're gonna be okay.
Thank you.
All right, thank you. We closed Starbucks. Man, I can't do this. Don't do this to myself. I'll be like, had I stayed in it a little longer. Oh! Okay, even I go through that. I'll be like, dang, man, had I stayed in it a little bit longer. People think that feeling goes away. Like, you still get that feeling. It's like, we made over 100% return. Jalen, I'm talking, son. No matter what level you're at in the game, you still be like, had I stayed in that a little bit longer, I would have made this much. But that's also the sign of greed. And you can't get greedy, man. You never go broke taking a profit. That's where that whole saying came from. We did a project with Facebook for Juneteenth, and this is what they sent me, the Black Excellence box, which is super cool. Black playing cards, AirPods carrying case, inspired by Beyonce, Move Forever. The Black church, I thought this was real cool. So this is all the items and all the creators. I'm saying that to say, if you got a company or a business or a church, something that you're looking for a speaker, or looking to do a different type of event, a financial education event, let us know. It was a paid event, but I'd love to be a resource for other organizations and stuff like that, which is why we got another proposal we're working on sending out right now. There's a chair right there. No matter how many times you do it, it's like you like diaper bag, milk, this, pacifier, shoes, stroller, change of clothes in case they splash in the pub. I mean, it's not just like, oh, let's roll to the park.
Driving down the boulevard, cruising with the windows down, feeling like we run this town. Your song is on the radio, the one you always like, the one that always gets you silent.
Take my kids to the park in the middle of the day. And like, this is what I envisioned 10 years ago.
So right.
Hit them squats, Jay. Hit them squats.
I just wanna dance it off. Ignore the world with me tonight. Wanna dance it off. Put your body next to mine.
So this is what I wish for everybody, every father, mother who just want to be free in the middle of the day when it ain't that busy, when it ain't that many people around. These are the moments that we thought about, dreamed about. And so, like, people sometimes think success is money, or they think success is like when they get a car or a certain thing or a certain status in life. But really, like, the most successful thing you could be successful at is putting yourself in a position to control your time and being stress-free. And man, that's a whole different type of success. It's not made for big people.
I just wanna dance it off.